it's Jamera Scott, the founder of No Code for Change, and I am so excited to talk to you today about something that is not just this cool fab, but it can actually change the game for our communities. No code artificial intelligence. Now, don't let that AI word scare you. You do not need to know how to code, and you definitely don't need a fancy tech background to use it. With our no code platform, you can start building powerful tools right now. And guess what? We should be the one leading the way and making sure those tools benefit us. So let's talk about it. Now, what is no code AI? Basically, it's technology that lets you build smart apps, automate tasks, and analyze data without needing a code. There are platforms like Bumble, Make.com, Airtable that gives you everything you need to create these AI-driven solutions just by dragging and dropping. So whether you're running a nonprofit, a small business owner, or just trying to solve a problem in your community or household, no code AI can help you make that happen. Think of it as your secret weapon to creating change. Fast and with the zero technical experience. And the best part, we as a community can be both the innovators and the beneficiaries of these tools. Let us use these tools to uplift our people and tackle the problems we face every day. So why does this matter? Let's be honest, technology is shaping everything we do these days, from healthcare to education. Tech can help you solve real problems more efficiently, but often our community is completely left out of these conversations, but not anymore. In education, we could build an AI-powered app that customizes learning plans for students who don't have access to proper resources. What about the justice system? We can use AI to analyze data and expose trends in housing discrimination policies and practices. In your local business, you can create automated systems to handle customer service, recommend products, and forecast sales. All this can be done with no coding. The key is we have to step up and create these solutions. No one knows our needs better than us. We're the only ones that can make sure that the tools actually benefit our people. So how do we actually get started? Let me walk you through a couple steps. Step 1. Identify the problem. First, think of all the things that's missing in the community. Better access to education, more efficient healthcare, small business in your area need a boost. Identify the challenge you can solve and trust that this is the foundation to everything. Step 2, choose your tools. There's 1,000 of them out there. You can go from Bumble and Glad, which are great tools for building apps with AI features. Lobe, perfect if you want to train AI models without touching a single line of code. Make.com, ideal for automating workflows like sending notifications and analyzing data. So pick your best tool and then we can get to work. Third is to train your AI and set it up. Don't worry. Most of these platforms have pre-built models, which is typically templates. That means that you can just drag and drop, plug in data, whether it's a school performance, small business sales, community healthcare needs. The AI will start working for you. Customize it as you see fit. Step 4, deploy it. Finally, put it out there. Whether it's an app, a report, a tool, make sure it's easy for our community to access and use. Gather feedback, improve it over time, and watch how your work starts to make a difference. Now let's talk about some real examples. These are actually the types of things we can do with no-code AI. In healthcare, people have used no-code AI to build chatbots that help residents figure out healthcare options. These chatbots are available 24/7, answering questions and even booking appointments. Just think about what that could mean for our underserviced community. In education, a group of high school students developed an AI app that identified tutoring needs. It tracks students' performance and recommends personalized learning plans based on where they needed help the most. These are just a couple ways that AI is being used to create positive change. But here's the thing, we need to own this space. We need to be the ones driving these innovations to ensure that they're truly helping our people. We need to be the innovators, but we also need to be the beneficiaries to no-code AI. So to wrap up, no-code AI gives us the power to create solutions that can change the game. You don't need a tech degree or a fancy background. All you need is the drive to make an impact and the willingness to learn the tools that are already out there. We can use AI to address the unique challenges of our community that we are facing every single day, and we are being completely overlooked. Whether it's improving our education, whether it's helping your child, whether it's you creating an app for your child to help them tutor in math, whether it's helping with a companion chat box for your grandmother, we can be the ones that benefit from it and also become the innovators. Thank you, and follow me on LinkedIn, Jamira Scott.